How to add income in Money Manager. In this guide, I will show you how to add income in the Money Manager app so you can keep track of all the money coming in and not just what you spend. Let's get started. First, open the app. You land on the home screen. Now here, tap at this plus button. This is where all you add any new transaction. You will see two tabs, income and expense. Tap on this income right here. Now here, you can enter the details of your income. Now type in your amount, how much you received. Let me add 200. Okay, now tap on category. You can choose or create a category like a salary, freelance or bonus or gift. Enter it like this. Now you can choose where the money was received like cash or bank. Let me add cash. Now you can also add a note like client payment or June salary or anything like this. Now once you have filled it out, tap this save button right here, tap on it. Now your income is now recorded and will show up in your daily log and monthly totals. And that's it, you have successfully added income in Money Manager. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips on tracking your money the smart way. Thank you for watching.